Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 12th December 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, at the confluence age, you receive the blessing of truth from the true Father. Therefore you must never lie. Question. What effort do you children definitely have to make in order to become viceless? Answer. You definitely have to make the effort to become soul conscious. Practice only seeing the soul in the center of each forehead. Consider yourselves to be souls as you talk to souls and listen to souls. Your vision should not fall on their bodies. This is the main effort that you have to make, and it is in this effort that there are obstacles. Practice as much as possible. I am a soul, I am a soul. Song is Salutations to Shiva. Essence for Dharana. First is, never stop studying because of having doubt about any aspect. In order to become pure, first of all remember the one Father. Don't become involved in other matters. Second is, obstacles come when your vision falls on bodies. Therefore, always look at the center of the forehead. Consider yourselves to be souls and talk to souls. Become soul conscious. Become fearless when you do service. Blessing for today. May you be constantly merged in the Father's imperishable and selfless love and become Maya-proof. Details are: Maya cannot attract the children who remain constantly merged in the Father's love. Just as not a single drop of water can stay on waterproof clothes, in the same way, those who remain merged in this love become Maya-proof. Maya cannot attack you in any way because the Father's love is imperishable and selfless. How can those who have experienced this become trapped in temporary love? One is the Father and the second is I, and no third person can come in between us. Slogan is, those who act while being loving and detached are able to put a full stop in a second. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Now have the deep concern to become complete and karmatit. Karmatit means not to be influenced by karma, to be the master, the authority, and have relationships with your physical senses. Be detached from limited desires and act using your physical senses. Actions should not make the soul, the master, dependent, but the soul should be one with all rights who has actions performed. To be the one who inspires and inspires actions to be performed is known as having the relationship of karma. A karmatit soul has a relationship, not any bondage.